This is a smoker, a project that I put together a couple of years ago. I wanted to make myself a smoker, so I figured the best thing to do would be to find a 1940s era refrigerator. And the reason I chose this particular thing is because it's got that real hard, clunky latch door, and it's got the interior is made of enameled steel, so I don't have to worry about anything melting or catching on fire or anything like that. It runs 110 volt. It's really a jinky setup, but it worked pretty good. I got it hooked up with this thermostat controller. It's got a little light bulb on it that would tell me when the burner was hot or functioning or on. It's got this bulb that goes up inside, and it's that one back there. That tells the controller to turn on and off, the thermostat control. This is what of course, you stick in the meat for internal temp. Just got that little coil that burns down there. And the thing that I use for smoke is this cold smoke generator that I made. It goes just on the outside, and it puts smoke in through that little hose pipe nipple thing. I'm sure you folks have probably seen these before. It operates on a fish tank aquarium. Of course, it works on the Venturi effect. You fill it with wood chips, light the bottom, and then the aquarium pump pushes air across, goes inside. I know you probably have seen them before. I just made one myself. Anyway, like I say, it worked pretty good. The only problem I had with it was it run on 110, and because of the cavern, it didn't work really well in cold weather. It took forever to heat up, and you open up the door to put your meat in or do whatever you had to do, and it just had such a long recovery time. And I figured, well, I'm going to need to do something better eventually. And what I'm going to do now is over here, I've got the guts out of an electric oven. It's got the main burner. It's got the, what do you call that? Well, that was the broiler. And then, of course, it's got the digital controller. So it's still going to have thermostat control, but this way here, I don't have to deal with it like I did with this one over here, where I'd have to monitor that temperature gauge right there, and I'd have to keep fussing with that knob. If that wasn't up, I'd have to turn it up a little bit more, wait, and it just was old. It's just a jinky way, I know, but it worked well. So in the next few videos, I'm going to be showing the progression on how I'm going to convert this to a 220 digital control. It's going to still have the same cold smoker. The cold smoker is nice because you can put cheese in here and you can smoke cheese without heat, because as you know, cheese is going to melt, so you can cold smoke cheese, and it works really good for that too. Anyway, next few videos, that's what I'm going to be doing, showing the progression of.